I do not know everything if I do not know. I learn. Behind every man's step lies the strength of the woman. For her, I broke my ego, I learned to live as one. The sleeper has awakened, and he is no longer alone. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. 50 years of travel through rungs of iron and shadow. Before the blood of my children, there was our covenant. I changed my path so I would not lose my other half. I killed the old man who only thought of himself, to become the one who builds a shelter for us. I learned that love is a discipline, not a weakness. I close my ears to the noise, I refuse the lie. Warrior of light, I review my lesson every day. Jehovah no piandri, omnipotent.
I shall fear no evil,
No lies, no fear.
I am the architect of my own truth. In the light or the void, I hold the balance. I no longer need to plead.
My daughter, hear your father's song. The world is cynical, they wait for your fall. So read, write, and learn to reason. Look at your mother, she is the one who kept me standing. I will not always be there to hold the lamp, so become the fire yourself.
Learn the lesson, retain the strength, adapt your step, respect the alliance. For alone we go fast, but together we go far. The grand architect does not build on the sand of selfishness. Here, all is true, all is stone, all is sacred.
Jehovah no piandri. The Lord is my shepherd, my soul is awake. Better late than never, I have found my axis.
no,
Blessed I am and proud to be my wife, my blood, my rock.
for Joshua, for Mia,
For David,
stand tall, never deviate.
Alpha,
Delta.
the truth sets us free.